Let's try another strategy because maybe equal groups isn't your favorite. So grab out your whiteboards. Let's write down 15 divided by 4. This time we're going to do this in an array. So I have 15 dots that I'm going to put into rows of 4. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to keep stacking below it until I get all the way to 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now how you find your answer on this one is you need to see how many full rows are there. I see 1 full row, 2 full rows, 3 full rows. This last one is not full because there's one missing right here. So since there are 3 full rows, my answer would be 3. But we can't forget about our leftovers. So that would be 3 with how many are left over in this incomplete row? 3. So that would be 3 with a remainder of 3. Let's try another one like that. We're going to have 57 divided by 8. So let's make our rows of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to keep adding dots below, adding until I get all the way up to 57. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Woo! All right. We're going to see how many full rows we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows that are completely full. How many did we have left over? Yeah, we have a remainder of 1